definition of a pioneer for me is someone who's been there before, someone who's paved the way, an authority on the subject. I suppose I get my inspiration when I've got headspace. People do different things to get headspace, but for me it's driving. Northern Line 11 requires from you. It's not an easy drive, so it needs your absolute focus. And in that madness, there's a sense of calm. It's a bit of a reset button for me. When I get back to my desk, I've got a clear head and the space for inspiration. I suppose my creative process starts with the things that I love. For me, it's all about authenticity. It's got to be something that really resonates with me. So I think, like everyone, I kind of pull inspiration from the things which are around me. My favorite piece from the Ann Sons collection is probably the club shirt, as you can tell. When I find something that I love, I kind of just stick to it. So when the summer comes, this is pretty much my uniform.